Denuvo finally losing the battle against piracy? Denuvo protection may no longer be as effective as it once was. After Resident Evil Requiem became the first 2026 Denuvo protected title cracked by Voices 3.8, reports now suggest that nearly all single-player, non-VR games using the DRM have either been cracked or successfully bypassed. According to a statement shared by FitGirl, most recent Denuvo protected games are now being bypassed using hypervisor-based methods. Instead of removing the DRM entirely through a traditional crack, these workarounds operate beneath Windows itself, fooling Denuvo into thinking the game is running on different hardware. Unlike proper cracks, these bypasses rely on risky, low-level system modifications, which can expose users to serious security vulnerabilities. Even so, that hasn't stopped Pirate from using them. In some cases, bypasses have reportedly appeared before a game's official launch, including for Pragmata. In comments shared with Torrent Freak, Denuvo's parent company, Irdeto, said it is currently developing countermeasures while warning that these bypass methods may pose major security risks to users. For years, one of the biggest criticisms surrounding Denuvo has been its impact on game performance. A system designed to stop piracy often ends up affecting legitimate buyers the most, causing higher CPU usage, stuttering, longer loading times, or reduced FPS. That issue has become even more frustrating as PC hardware prices continue to rise, especially with GPUs becoming increasingly expensive during the AI hardware boom. Many players no longer want to sacrifice performance for DRM that may only delay piracy for a few hours or days. Previously, publishers accepted the trade-off because Denuvo could protect games during the crucial launch window. But now, with hypervisor bypasses appearing almost immediately after release, many gamers are questioning whether the DRM still serves a meaningful purpose. That said, these bypass methods are far from safe. Users often need to disable major Windows security protections or interact directly with low-level system components, potentially leaving their PCs vulnerable to malware or attacks. Even with those risks, growing game prices and expensive hardware upgrades appear to be pushing more people toward these unofficial workarounds. Well, does it? Please let me know your opinion about this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.